Hi all, today we'll install SWI Prolog on Windows 11. Open any one of your favorite browser, just type here SWI Prolog download. The official website it will open, so make sure your website is swiprolog.org. Just click on SWI Prolog downloads here. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you are able to see right SWI Prolog 10.0.2-1. This is the Windows one. So we are going to install on Windows. So in the next videos, we'll see how to install on Linux versions. Just you click on this link and just click on I understand. Okay, then you click on this download this exe file, because I have already downloaded this one, so I don't want to waste your time. So just I'm going to the folder where it's downloaded. So here it will ask for your permissions. You are able to see right. Click on next, and you can accept the terms and conditions. Click on I agree. So here you are able to see the three paths. So I'm going to select the third one and check this one, create SWIPL desktop icon. Just click on next, and this is the path where it is going to install. It requires almost 130 MB. So just I'm going to select for the different folder, because I don't want to install in the C. So I'm going to install on my D drive. Okay, then let me install on the tools. Okay, just click on the next. Okay, so this is the default things it is going to install here. So I'm not going to click here, do not create shortcuts. Just I'm clicking on the next. Okay, this is the components which it is going to install defaultly. I click on the next. Usually it won't take more time, but it depends on your system configuration. And guys, just click on the finish here. So just we are able to see right SW Prolog shortcut here. Just click on double click here. Yeah, that's all guys. So it's installed. So in the next videos we can see how can we use SW Prolog console. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you installation of the SW Prolog. Thanks for watching.